What's going on, guys? So I'm back at Coley's house, back working on the Sierra behind me. We've just got a couple more pieces we need to button up on this thing before we get it ready to sell. So we've already got the bed fixed, we've got the door fixed, got a chrome trim piece put back on it. We got a fender, got that fixed, put back on it. So the last thing we really got to do is button together the front end. I've got brand new headlights for it because one of them got cracked on this thing, so we're gonna have to replace them. The new grill's snapped in, so I'm gonna pull that back out, show you guys how to swap out these headlights. And then we just got to put the valance on the bottom of the bumper there, and the whole front end should be all mocked up, ready to go. We'll just get it cleaned up and we'll be able to put it on Craigslist. Once I get done with this, I'll put some before and after pictures of the truck because it's definitely come a long way since we got it, and we're excited to get this thing done and get it out of our hair so we can get working on another project. But with that, I'll get into this install. So the first thing you want to do to get to your headlights is take the grill off. Normally there would be a plastic valance part that would go right here, and then there would be 4 pop tabs right here and that. I'm not sure if we have this piece or not. I'm gonna have to get with Coley on that one, but that just pops in, and then you'll see back here there's pop tabs on both sides of the front of the grill, and then there's also a pop tab behind this chrome piece. So you just have to pop those off, try not to break them, and then the grill just comes right out. So the next part we're gonna do is get these bottom lights here for the turn signal, and I guess the driving light right here. But there's a little tab, you can see it right here. If you push it, it pops right out, and you can see where I pushed it. And then this piece just hooks right into there like that. So that's literally all you do. You just pop that tab, and then it just comes right out, and you just take your light bulbs out. So they all just twist 180 degrees, or they all just twist counterclockwise like that, and they should all come out. That's how you get the light out. All right, so you can see on a couple of these bulbs, so this bulb obviously needs replaced. It's not gonna be very yellow, and this one has got some kind of condensation all over it. And we've got, the new housings are actually black, so I definitely wanna make sure those bulbs are shining the right color. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff together. I'll leave the grill off for now, and I'm gonna drive it to a shop, get some lights, and swap all that stuff out so we know it's good. But I'm gonna go ahead and get everything swapped out on those, and I'll do the headlight after that. All right, so the headlights on these GMs, they're pretty simple too. You just pull these 2 tabs towards you, like that, and then you pull up on them. So when you release these things, when you pull those all the way out, the headlight just comes right out, and you just swap the bulbs out the same way. So I'll go ahead and get both of those. Headlights in, you can see those things look way better. We went with that black housing look on both of them. We think it'll just make the front end pop a little bit with the black grill and everything on the front. So on this grill, we haven't swapped out the GMC yet, so I'm gonna grab the stock grill, show you how to pop that out and put it in the new grill. We'll put it all back on the front end of the truck, and we'll see what it looks like. So here's our old grill, and you can see the emblem. So it just clips in these 4 little tabs right there. So I'm gonna have to put the phone down, try to pop all these out and get them all out, and we should be able to pull that GMC out and swap it in the new one. That's it. Then we'll go ahead and pop this grill back in place. It'll make it easier for me to push that GMC back on. So we're almost done. Just got to get that valance put on, get it cleaned up. Should be ready to hit the road. So I ran out of actual footage to put up in the video, so I'm just going to put some before and after pictures of the truck. It came out looking great, and I hope this video helped you guys with any of the questions you might have with replacing your headlights and turn signals. But if you would, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below with what you'd like to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.